In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and access SharePoint files with Python. There are many situations where you need to extract data or use information from files stored on a SharePoint site. Fortunately, there's a way to access and use these files with Python. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into SharePoint using Internet Explorer. Yes, you heard me correctly. You must use Internet Explorer for this to work. If you don't know where Internet Explorer is, just type in Internet Explorer and it should come right up. Next, we're going to map the SharePoint folder like a network drive. Right-click on the Start menu and then click File Explorer. Right-click on this PC, then select Map Network Drive. Click on the blue link that says Connect to a website that you can use to store your documents and pictures, then click Next. Now choose a custom network location. Then go ahead and type in the name of your SharePoint folder. In my case, the address is izzyanalytics.sharepoint.com and the folder name is Shared Documents. You'll want to insert the %20 symbol if you have any spaces in your folder name, so Shared Documents becomes Shared %20 Documents. Next, type in a name you want to give this network location, then click Next. Finally, click Finish to add the network location. The next thing we need to do is add this site to Trusted Locations. So at the upper right-hand corner of your Internet Explorer, click on the gear and open up Internet Options. Click on the Security tab and then click on Trusted Sites. Add your SharePoint site to the Trusted Connections. And then click the checkbox for Require Server Verification for all sites in this zone, if it's not already selected. Next, click on the Custom Level button, then scroll all the way down till you see the User Authentication settings. Choose Automatic Logon with current username and password, then click OK. Next, open up Credential Manager and select Windows Credentials. Scroll down to Generic Credentials and then click Add a Generic Credential. Enter your SharePoint site and then your username and password. This may seem like a lot of work, but this will keep you from having to log in each time you need to access the files. So, now that that's done, go ahead and check out your File Explorer. You'll notice the SharePoint folder is now linked and accessible from your File Explorer. Now, you might be thinking, this is great, until you look at the address bar. That's not a valid file path that you can use in Python. The key here is to use the WebDAV server in Windows. This is a special keyword recognized by Windows to redirect you to the appropriate file location. If you right-click the file name, you'll see this special keyword embedded in the folder path. So let's test this out by opening up a Python shell and see if we can access the folder using Python. I'm first going to copy the folder path, import the OS library, create a variable for the folder path. This folder path is in a Windows format and includes backslashes. Those are escape characters in Python, so this won't work. However, if you prefix the string with an R, Python will interpret this as a raw string instead of interpreting the backslashes as Python instructions. Next, to see what's in this folder, you can use the listdir function and pass in the folder path. If Python can read this SharePoint directory, you'll get a list of files that's included in this path. Excellent. Now for a real test, let's open up one of these CSV files and look at the data. And that's how you access and use a file from SharePoint using Python. Now you can use the file as you normally would with a Python script or application, extract data, copy the file, attach it to an email, etc. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please click the like button and subscribe to see more content like this in the future. See you in the next video.